All right, y'all, something came in the mail. Super excited about it and thought I was going to make a video. So, y'all know how I enjoy my nice premium Bibles, right? My Schuyler's, Allen's, Cambridge, whatever. Well, this is one from a company I've never bought from, but have always admired from afar, and super excited to check it out. It's upside down. Ooh, yes. All right. Full grain goatskin Sahara blue, the new King James Version Shepherd from Humble Lamb. Oh, dude. So excited. All right. Let's check this thing out. Okay. Grab my knife and try to do this with one hand. Okay. Good enough. Kinda, sorta. So those of y'all who know premium Bibles may have already been able to guess from the box, like the shipping box, based on the taping, because there was a bunch of like fancy looking art. That's kind of the standout feature of Humble Lamb Bibles. Oh, I'm pumped. All right. Get the knife far away from it because, yeah, it's a Bible. All right. Shepherd Wolf 4-edge copper ribbons, Sahara blue, full grain goatskin, New King James Shepherd. Let's see if I can open it. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay. What we got here? Shepherd. Note from the publisher. Cool. And oh man. Oh dude, even before I take off the paper, look how deep and dark and rich that blue is. Oh, and I can already see the gold. Woo, okay. So pumped. And I think it's full Yapp. Oh, I'm ripping up the paper. That's fine. Gotta give me a break. Using one hand here. Looks like I'm gonna have to slide that off. So hold on. Or I could just tear it. Yeah, that works too. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Dude, it's like, look at that. The Word of God on the side. That's it. 4 raised hubs. Oh, dude. Full Yapp. Looks amazing. All right, now, you ready for something? Standout feature here. Look at that. That's so cool. But like looking dead on, oh man, because the full Yapp is hard to tell. Dude, that looks amazing. Okay, Shepherd, New King James, Humble Lamb. So stinking soft and floppy and oh, so good. Oh my goodness. It is a, man, I'm trying to remember all the features and everything. I know it's a blue letter text. Instead of a red letter or a black letter, words of Christ are in blue. It's really cool. Oh, here's the information I was hoping for. It's a 9-point Milo serif font. Dude, this is so stinking cool. Look at the, oh my goodness. All right, so you got like chapter numbers and everything. References are all in this deep blue. Textual notes at the bottom. But it has this really cool art throughout. I can't remember the name of the guy, but dude, look at that. That's so neat. And it's a single column with good spacing, really. Oh my goodness, this Bible is gorgeous. Here's the poetic sections in Job. Look, there's those copper ribbons. Looks like we get 3 of them. Here's a page where you have kind of prose and poetry. There's another example of that. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Wow. Okay, look at that blue letter. Man, this is so nice. In the back, oh, there's my favorite book, James. The book looks like, okay, there's the end of Revelation. We have a concordance, a few maps. They look nice. They're very thick. The end, full grain goat skin. What does that say? Individually handcraft. Look at that little shepherd staff stamp on the back. It's good and thick and heavy, hefty, but floppy, and oh man. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.